Friends, again, most welcome to my YouTube channel, Conceptual Learning in Physics. In this lesson 4, I am taking a problem from mechanics. Question. A composite spring ABC is fixed between ends A and C. The part AB has its length equal to L by 3 and spring constant K. These for part BC are 2L by 3 and 2K. As shown in the figure below, a force is applied at the joint B coaxially through a plate. Then find out the displacement of joint B from its original position. The composite spring is shown in this figure. Solution. Here, the extension in part AB will be equal to compression in part BC. The extension in part AB will be naturally equal to the compression in part BC. Now, the extension in AB, delta LAB, will be equal to compression in part BC. The force F will be shared by AB and BC. Let the force be FAB in part AB and FBC in part BC. Now, so F is equal to BC. Now, delta LAB, the extension in spring AB, equal to FAB by K. That equal to delta L BC is equal to FBC by 2K. So FBC बराबर 2FAB. So therefore एफ ए बी बराबर एफ बाई 3 एंड एफ बी सी बराबर 2f बाई 3. So displacement of joint B is equal to delta LAB is equal to delta LBC is equal to FAB by K is equal to FBC by 2K. That equals to F by 3 by K बराबर 2F by 3 by 2K is equal to F by 3K. That is answer.